All right, so last time I finished pulling all the crap off the front of the car so I can cut the beam out. You can see where I need to cut all these tubes and all this stuff out of here. But I need to take the skid plate off today. And that requires, oh God, to take the seats out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the seats out so I can take the skid plate off. And that's going to be it for today because I worked all day and I'm tired. And unlike James Ginsburg, who can just work all day and all night, I can't do that. I get tired and I want to eat dinner and go to bed. So here we go. I'm going to get started, get some tools together, and take, thank God my, this door doesn't sound like that. I got to fix that other door. I don't know what it is, but this one doesn't sound so bad. My nice little heater tubes. I forgot I did that. Take all this stuff out. So yeah, let me get some tools together and I'll start by taking the seats out and we'll go from there. All right, so I got the tools together. So I'm gonna take all these bolts off to take the skid plate off. I also have to take this seatbelt bolt out. And I have to remove the seat, which I just remembered. I had to find where that was in. And of course, it's all the way up this Luma wires. And there's gotta be a plug up there somewhere in that mess. And there's the same thing on the other side, I'm sure. So the first thing I'm gonna do is find where that plug plugs in. Ugh. Which is back here somewhere. I'm assuming it's that right there. And this is probably all the extra wire that goes along with it. But regardless, I need to clean all that crap up. So I'm gonna start there. Now look, the same thing is over there. Same plug. I bet you that's the heated seat wiring. We will soon find out. Here we go. All right, so I traced the wires up and to the hot posts that I have made. So I have to completely disconnect the heated seats. There's no plug or anything for me to quickly take them out, which is amazing. I do this thing when I'm building a project where I get it to a point where it starts to run and drive, and then I just go, I don't really need to work on anything else. I'm just gonna drive it until it breaks. And then I have to fix something and I go back into my mess and I'm like, wow, how am I gonna fix this? Because it's just a giant mess. Well, I did a lot of drinking when I was building this, and I'm gonna try to do a little bit better of a job this time around. And you guys can call me out on my shoddy work when I make shoddy work. Let's not let that happen this time. Okay, so I'm getting the seats out. I'm sorry, I'm not getting the seats out. I'm trying to disconnect the heated seats system out of the car. Oh, I also discovered this too. My passenger seat hasn't been working. The heat hasn't been working on it. And I think I found the culprit. Could it be that right there? Is that it, you think? That's where the controller plugs in. Yeah, that's probably the problem. Wait a minute, it only plugs into one side. Oh, yeah, that's the passenger side. Yep, the other side's right there, driver's side. All right, let me get this wiring all disconnected. I'll unbolt the seats and then I'll be right back. All right, so maybe you guys can help me out with this. What do you do with these factory super long cables for like this cable for my speedometer, right? It goes to, I don't even know what at this point, but it's not just a regular wire that you can shorten like these. I can shorten, I understand how to do that stuff, right? I know how to do that shit. But this, like, how do you shorten a wire that's, you know, it's got coax or something? I think it goes to the antenna up there or something. Or wire like this, which I believe this is like the rear view camera digital cable. Like, how do you shorten these? Does anybody know how to do that? I'd love to know how to do that, because then I can get rid of a lot of this mess up here if I could just shorten a few cables. You know what they say, hit up the comments, let me know how to do that. All right, this seat belt is free. I just unbolted that. I just unclipped them from back here. The seat belts are free. So it's just the 4 bolts underneath this thing. Leave that over there for when I need one inside. this here. My favorite thing to do in the whole world is to get underneath the car. That's my favorite thing. But soon, I'm not gonna be able to do my favorite thing because I have a lift now. Yay! Here we go. Let's slide underneath the car and get dirty as fuck. Excuse me, dirty as things. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna do them all while I'm down here. Oh look, 2 nuts came out. Jealous. Where is it? There it is. It's cool, like dust is going to my eyes. So rad. It's so exciting. It's like great footage, right? This is what everybody tuned in for right here. Oh, look, nuts. Okay, I'll collect all this manhood right here and then be back in a moment. But this is all these are the belly pan bolts that I have to take out next. All these everywhere. And I need somebody inside to hold the other side of it. That's where Haley's gonna come in. Oh look, just in case I roll over, that's where the fuel will come out. All right. Seats are free. Hold on right there. As always, I forgot something. Look at that. Seat belts are still connected. Oh, and look what else I noticed. Look, there is a plug for the heated seats. It's right there. I didn't have to unwire anything. Perfect. I wish I could remember some things sometimes. Like that would have been cool. I spent like 15 minutes unwiring the car, and there's actually a plug that I complained about not being there, right there. Perfect. All right, I got one seat out. What is that? Dude, there's a dead rat in here. Blech. This is not the secret of nymph. Get out of here. Gross. Ew. Blech. I gotta show Haley. Well, there's all kinds of prizes in here. Got a dead rat. Nasty looking thing. I wonder how long he's been in here. And there's a bunch of beer cans underneath my seat. I don't know where those came from. Some cat hair. But just look at this disgustingness. Dirty, 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 dirty car. Anyway, that's what it looks like without seats in it. Alright, I'm gonna clean up the rat. Beer cans. And then it's belly pan time. I hope I can get to all of them from here, because I'm gonna have Haley help me by holding the top nut here. And if there's something difficult, she's not gonna be down to play game with it. So hopefully they're all really accessible and easy. You know what I mean? Wish me luck. Get out of my way, stupid. Oh wait, that's part of the pan too. But I can't lift it there because the skid plate's all loose, so I'm trying to lift it up so I can drop it out. Let's see if it doesn't lift sideways this way. Oh my gosh, look how nasty that is. Don't go in the mud, boys. I've never had this off since I've owned this car, so this is all new to me as well. Now, what is keeping it on right here? Did I miss some screws? Or is it just because these jacks are here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ew. This guy out of here. There it is, boys and girls, peoples, friends, unfriendlies. I've never seen this car like this before. Wow, I'm gonna have to roll it out and really wash it good. This is a lot of work. A lot more work than I was prepared to do right before the season. I guess James was right. I should have got on it a lot earlier. Well, what's that saying? How do you eat an elephant one bite at a time? I'm just gonna keep plugging away at this. You know, the hardest part about doing a project is just getting started and getting motivated to do it every day or every other day or once a week. It's kind of like losing weight, you know, just a little bit at a time. Or anything in life, really. Just gotta stick with it. That's it. I'm gonna pick this thing up, probably lean it up against my fence over there and hose it off tomorrow or pressure wash it or do something. And yeah, but for today, that's it. I'm out.